I am Shabir C and I am studying in S5 BCom of Amal College of Advanced Studies. And my topic is value of rent-free accommodation. Value of rent accommodation or accommodation at concession rent. When the employer provides accommodation to employees, its value is treated as requisite and included in salary income. The method of valuation is as follows. A. Government employees. When central government and state government employees are allotted quarters or houses or flats, the value is unfurnished accommodation is equal to amount determined by the government as per rule, license fees, and add 10% of cost of furniture or hire charges. After adding this unfurnished accommodation and 10% of cost of furniture or hire charges, we will get value of rent-free furnished house. And from value of rent-free furnished house, we should less amount collected from employees. And after lessing, we will get value of accommodation at concessional rent. This is the method of valuation of rent-free accommodation of the government employees.